Good morning, everybody. Let's try and finish nature if we can. I can tell you, this has been a really rough week for me, language learning-wise.
Oiseau.
I've hit a
Oiseau.
wall, and I don't know why,
Paul adore les bateaux.
but I've tried to record 3 different videos this morning, and I can't get anything right, and I don't find this enjoyable at all. Paul adore les bateaux.
J'ai un bateau.
I think it's this time change, honestly. It's just thrown me for a loop. I have a boat.
Cet oiseau chante très bien.
Cet oiseau chante très bien. Cet oiseau. Oiseau. Cet. Cet.
Duo, tu es un oiseau.
Duo, you are a oiseau.
Oiseau.
Bird.
Oiseau.
Duo, you are a bird. I didn't even see that. That's what I mean, I'm so out of it. To say. No idea. This is you are dance, you are sing, you are river, you are fishing. Oh, do you know how? That's not you are.
Paul adore les bateaux.
Lord help me, Jesus God. I'm never gonna make it. I'm never gonna make it. This is where it all ends, guys. This is the end. This is where I shut down shop and never become multilingual. What did you say?
Paul adore les bateaux. Paul adore les bateaux.
Don l'adore les bateaux.
Paul adore les bateaux.
I'm just going to keep going. I don't care how long it takes. I will finish this lesson. Est-ce qu'il y a des poissons dans say? Are there fish in the river? Z.
Il aime bien pêcher. Il aime bien pêcher.
I'm just going to keep going. I just have to do one lesson. I just have to do one lesson completely. That's all I've got to do today. That's all I need to do. Les oiseaux mangent.
Il y a un bateau sur la rivière. Il y a un bateau sur la rivière.
She hates birds. Elle déteste les oiseaux. Elle déteste les oiseaux. Are there fish in these rivers? Oh, sweet Jesus, this is that long one. That's too long. Sorry, I cheated. I have to get through this. Oh no. This is the most beautiful boat. It took me way too long to remember that. But it doesn't matter. I'm just gotta do the lesson. Just gotta do the lesson. This is Plu in here. Plu. This is wrong. It wasn't like I knew what the correct one was. So, il y a beaucoup. Il y a beaucoup de bateaux. The day in beaucoup day never changes form. Isn't that great to know now? He likes to fish. Il aime pêcher. Il aime pêcher. I forgot the
Duo, tu es un oiseau.
Duo, comma. You are a bird, period. See, y'all, see what this thing is doing to me. Do you know how to fish?
Paul adore les bateaux.
Paul adore les bateaux.
Il aime bien pêcher.
I did it. I did it. No, thank you. Honestly, that's all I got in me today. I just wanted to get one lesson. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned something, and I hope it didn't ruin your day. Bye.